Hey mga Kabayan Techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech. Again, it's another Troubleshooting Thursday. Today, we're going to do a factory reset of an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and above. So let's begin. So I have here this iPhone XSMAX. It says here that the phone is disabled, and this is usually what happens to some of my customers. The only way for us to go beyond it is to do a factory reset. I know that there are some resolutions over YouTube or over the internet that you could actually go around this issue, but the easiest way, if you do have a backup and you know your Apple ID and password, might as well do a factory restore and then start afresh. So I'm going to plug it again. We're going to do the series of buttons that we need to press. So I press the volume up once, down once, and then the power button. If you press this one on a slower rate, what will happen is Siri will activate. You have to just repeat it again. So you will see here that the phone restarted or shut down. Once you see the Apple logo, still pressing the power button, and we're going to wait for that symbol that says connect to a computer. And there we go. So similar to the other Troubleshooting Thursdays that we did, I am using a Windows computer here. I'm also going to show you how to do it on a Mac computer. For the Windows computer, it's the same procedure. When you see that it is on what you call the recovery mode, we're going to plug in the cable. Okay. Another window will pop out here. We're going to do the restore, and then another window will ask us to say either restore and update, and then it's going to extract the software. If it didn't extract the software and you see a spinning wheel here, it means that you are downloading the latest the latest iOS for the phone, and it will take a while, probably 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your internet connection. So let me just fast forward this one and I'll get back to you again. So you might notice this restore is a little bit faster because of a faster phone. It's a newer phone. So on the screen, it will say preparing iPhone for restore. The phone will now restart, and the computer will wait for the phone to turn on again. An Apple logo will show up, and on this next stage, it's going to send the actual software from the computer to the phone and also the firmware. Let us just fast forward this one again, and I'll get back to you. Okay, and then after the restore is done, on your iTunes, it will show that the phone has been restored to factory setting. Your phone will restart now, and you could take out the cable. Once you take out the cable, what will happen is your phone, it's going to restart again to the Apple logo. Once you see the hello screen, that's pretty much it. You have successfully restored your phone. Let me have this one fast forward, and I'm going to get back to you again. Okay, and that's it. Once you see the hello screen, you're pretty much done. Just follow the on-screen instruction for you to set up. Again, we're going to have a different Troubleshooting Thursday on the different ways of restoring your data. So that's it, mga Kabayan Techers. Kindly follow me in my channel, The Kabayan Tech. Subscribe, and then if you have any comments or suggestions or questions, just write them down below. Again, thank you very much, and have a good day.